I get so nervous when the garbage can goes up and down. You can tell that someone's spirit is here. Probably cursing us.
Anywho, because you are crispy.
Alright. I love when Melissa's witty.
I hate you. Let's do our thing.
Someone's antsy.
One bite, everybody knows the rules.
I did not know that was a rule, so it's news to me. I'm excluded from everybody.
Welcome back to Hot Girl Kitchen. I'm Melissa.
And I'm Matt.
And before we move anywhere or say anything else...
Where are we moving, girl?
Who knows? But guess what?
Hopefully somewhere warmer.
You know where you guys are moving? Your finger to the mouse to go ahead
to
and
the subscribe button. Yeah,
sure.
That sounds like a good movement.
Mm-hmm.
I love that dance. It's my new favorite dance.
As you guys can see, it looks like we're making
another flatbread.
Another one.
My God, and as you can see, since we know you're all big fans and you've all subscribed already and you've all watched all of our videos and liked them, we are using the same flatbread crust from Trader Joe's because Joe is our favorite.
Trader.
I hope you're watching Joe. I hope you're subscribed.
We hope you.
It means a lot.
Yeah,
your support means a lot to us.
We're going to do a margarita, classic margarita flatbread.
Classico.
It's just easy, it's quick, it's to the point, it's great with
just like Melissa.
And also another great thing about it, bare minimal ingredients, which we love to see. We love the easy. So to start it off, I have in this bowl here some olive oil, butter, and garlic. It's melted. We're going to be brushing that onto the flatbread. So you will need olive oil, butter, and some minced garlic.
Yes, she has already gathered those ingredients.
I have some pizza sauce. It doesn't matter. You can literally make it. You can buy it. You can...
We're buying it in this case because we're doing it nice and snappy because we're hungry.
We also have our shredded mozzarella. And then we also have a little bit of mozzarella that I'm going to do little clusters for, like a typical margarita.
A log mozzarella.
So salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, parsley, all necessary. And then to really cut our seasoning and down to, I won't even say half.
What is she talking about?
I'm saying...
Oh, cut the amount of seasonings we buy because there's 19 things in there. We have basil, oregano, thyme, and garlic all in one. Pasta Sprinkle, Penzeys, another company that needs to sponsor us. If you haven't noticed Penzeys, we use your spices in every one of our films, all of our feature films. So, I mean, we're waiting on that sponsorship.
So, I just microwave the olive oil, butter, and garlic in the microwave for like a minute. So it's like, you know, nice and warm, all melted up. And I use my little paintbrush and scoop the bits of garlic.
Her paintbrush.
And we're going
to see what kind of painting she creates with this.
You're going to scoop it right on there as you... Well, I don't know if you can see from that far away, guys, but there is a lot of garlic in here.
Baby, I'm actually step back because she's flinging some.
Really going to get every little crevice. You want this extra oiled up. And Matt, he likes to oil the entire thing. I'm just going to do the top.
Yeah, I oil the bottom too because it gets super crispy. But some people have no couth about themselves.
Well, the thing is, I don't like the super crispy vibe. So
I love a super crispy vibe.
Anywho.
So wait, I have a question. You don't put sauce on before cheese?
No, you'll see.
Oh, interesting.
So what you're going to do is do your first layer of cheese.
Very generous, evidently.
Yes. Unlike Matt, I really do like a cheesy flatbread.
It's because she's cheesy AF. You are a cheesy flatbread.
So with a lot of margaritas, they normally have a big chunk of tomato, like slices on there. So I really love the clumps of sauce. You'll see as I'm just scooping it.
To be honest, I'm not a big tomato fan, so I'm really appreciating that she's using sauce instead of actual tomatoes.
I don't like
I don't really love the consistency of tomatoes. They're just not for me.
I love tomatoes, but on my flatbread, I'd much rather have the sauce like this instead of like the big chunk of tomato. So you're just going to cut your mozzarella. I'm going to cut it in circles and then in half, almost the same size of your sauce. What do you call those?
Dollops. You could where we put the. Oh my God! Tragedy is struck. No, I don't see anything.
All right, give me a napkin, hurry. So now that we
what's next?
We're gonna do our pasta sprinkle very generously on top.
Love a generous sprinkle of pasta sprinkle. Just tastes like Italy to me. Mmm.
Mmm. We're going to take our parsley.
Oh, this is going to be bomb. I love a flavorful item.
As you can see, we have so much going on here. And then on top of that, we are going to add our red pepper flakes.
Yum.
Little spritz of salt, not too much, just like a little. And
wow, it looks yum.
And it looks like we're ready to pop it in the oven. So normally on the packaging it does say, what does it say?
8 to 10 minutes.
He wants his flatbreads to be crispier. I go for a little bit of the less crispy.
She likes the limp experience. She doesn't know what to do with the hard ones.
So we're going to shoot for 9 minutes. Just a little less.
Okay. Interesting.
And I guess we'll meet you guys back here.
Wow, Melissa, it looks like something is ready.
It is. It is very ready.
It smells scrumptious. And you know what I bet your fave would like? A slice. So let's go ahead and give it a little ooh la la. Mmm. Oh my God. You see the way that the mozzarella, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. My jargon is not on fleek today.
Wonderful.
Maybe another sip of wine will help.
Honestly, your fave has she's never even had a piece of pizza before. So she sure hasn't had a flatbread.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, we're just gonna go with that. And honestly, this is bomb. And honestly, that pizza sauce that we use instead of the tomatoes is so much better. Because tomatoes are so canceled for me. They're just not in my palate.
I just like the way like how the sauce cooks down and like spreads out. You know what I mean? Because the tomatoes, they like are. It's hard to like bite a tomato on a pizza.
It's very unbecoming.
Wow. I'm so impressed.
I am as well. Cheers to that. Oh, I was choosing with my pizza, but we can do this too.
Real hot girl shit.